Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to demystify the process of automating lead capture in HubSpot's CRM. Imagine a world where every lead is instantly added to your system, eliminating manual entry, reducing errors, and freeing up your time for more important tasks. Sounds good, right? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive headfirst into the world of automation and efficiency. Stay tuned to learn how you can automate this process and save time and effort. Before we dive into the process, let's first understand why automating lead capture is beneficial. Picture this. Instead of manually entering each lead into your CRM, automation does the heavy lifting for you. It's like having a virtual assistant who never takes a break. This leads to faster lead capture. The moment someone shows interest, their details are whisked into your CRM, ready for action. But it's not just about speed. Automation improves data accuracy too. By eliminating the human element, we say goodbye to typos and inconsistencies that can sneak in with manual data entry. Lastly, automation boosts efficiency. Your team can now focus on strategic tasks like nurturing leads and closing deals, rather than data entry. With these benefits, it's clear why automation is a game changer for businesses. Now let's get down to business. There are two main ways to automate lead flow in HubSpot. First up, forms and pop-ups. This method is all about creating web forms and pop-ups on your site. Every time a visitor fills out a form or submits their information through a pop-up, a new lead is automatically created in your HubSpot CRM. This method is direct and efficient. It's like setting a digital net to catch all those interested visitors on your site. The beauty of this method is that it's hands-off. The data is captured automatically, and the potential for human error is significantly reduced. Plus, your leads are instantly added to your CRM, which means your sales team can follow up faster. The second method is integrations. This is where HubSpot really shines. You can connect HubSpot with a whole host of other platforms, like Facebook ads or email marketing tools. When a lead interacts with your campaigns on one of these platforms, their information is automatically sent to HubSpot. Imagine running a Facebook ad campaign. A user sees your ad, clicks on it, and fills out a form. That form information is then automatically sent to your HubSpot CRM. This seamless integration saves you time and effort, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. But remember, the method you choose should align with your business needs and the platforms you use. If you're running a lot of social media campaigns, integrations might be the way to go. If your website is your main lead generation tool, then forms and pop-ups could be a better fit. Automation is all about making your life easier. And the great thing about HubSpot is that it gives you options. Whether it's through forms and pop-ups or integrations, automating your lead flow can save you time, increase your efficiency, and improve the accuracy of your data. So, why not give it a try? Automation could be the secret ingredient that takes your lead generation efforts to the next level. Remember, the method you choose should align with your business needs and the platforms you use. Setting up automation might seem complex, but it's actually quite straightforward. No matter which method you choose, the key lies in correctly mapping your form fields to corresponding properties in HubSpot. Let's break it down. If you're using forms and pop-ups, you'll need to design these so they capture the right information. This could be anything from the lead's name and email address to their company size and industry. Once you've created your form, you'll need to ensure that each field corresponds to a specific property in HubSpot. For instance, the email field on your form should map to the email property in HubSpot. This ensures that when a lead fills out the form, their information is automatically saved in the right place. Now, if you're using integrations, the process is slightly different, but follows the same principle. You'll need to connect your chosen platform to HubSpot and configure the settings so that lead information is automatically pulled into your CRM. For example, if you're using Facebook ads, you'll need to set up your integration so that when a lead clicks on your ad and submits their information, it's automatically added to your HubSpot CRM. Remember, the goal here is to ensure that lead information flows seamlessly from your forms or platforms into HubSpot. This requires a bit of upfront setup, but the payoff in terms of time saved and increased efficiency is well worth it. Once you've set up your automation, It's a good idea to test it to make sure everything is working correctly. Submit a test lead and check that the information appears correctly in your CRM. If everything looks good, you're all set. Automation is a powerful tool that can save you a great deal of time and effort. By automating your lead capture process, you can ensure that every lead is accurately captured and ready for nurturing by your sales team. And just like that, you've set up your automation. It's as simple as that. For those who want to take automation to the next level, there's HubSpot Workflows. This feature is a godsend for businesses looking to automate their processes and take their lead management to new heights. HubSpot Workflows is a tool that lets you automate more than just lead capture. It allows you to set up a series of actions based on specific triggers. These triggers could be anything from a new lead entering your system to a lead clicking on a specific link in an email. Think of it as your digital assistant, tirelessly working around the clock to help you manage and nurture your leads. It's like having a dedicated team member who never sleeps, never takes breaks, and always knows what to do next. Let's say you want to send a welcome email to every new lead. Instead of manually sending out each email, you can set up a workflow to do it for you. Once a lead is created, the workflow is triggered, and an email is automatically sent. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. HubSpot Workflows can do more than send emails. You can use it to assign tasks to team members, update contact properties, and even enroll leads in other workflows. And the best part? You can customize your workflows to suit your specific needs. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your processes or a large corporation aiming to improve efficiency, HubSpot Workflows can be tailored to fit your unique situation. Now, setting up a workflow might seem daunting at first, but fear not. HubSpot has a plethora of resources and guides to help you navigate the process. And with a bit of practice, you'll be creating workflows like a pro. With HubSpot Workflows, you can automate not just lead capture, but also lead nurturing and follow-up. It's time to embrace the power of automation and let HubSpot Workflows do the heavy lifting. Happy automating, and that's it. You now know how to automate lead capture in HubSpot CRM. This streamlined process will not only save you time, but also increase efficiency and data accuracy. So why wait? Start your journey towards automation today. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting that like button. And if you have any queries, drop them in the comments section. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot CRM tips.